No. Yeah. 10671 Little Horse. So we have little things like this, planters and such. I need to replace this hardware on the front door and paint the front door if necessary. Okay. So the tile looks great. It's all throughout the first floor. Cabinets look great. It's not an undermount sink, but everything looks good overall. There's a little... Okay, so this side of the house does get sun, so it's great to have the patio overhang. And there's these extra shades which you may want to put as is or remove them so you don't have to replace them as they're damaged. Really nice upscale looking planters. These are the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds, but they're brown, not white like we normally like. But they're already here, which is great. I wanted to point out this backsplash actually. Okay. Fridge is not the largest fridge for this space possible, but it's also already here. These wall colors are very close to what we typically do. We don't really like too many upgrades because you have to replace things like as they break. And there's a pet door here. You want to rekey that door as well. So there's the pet door. I think it needs to go. So 1, 2, 3, 4 doors to rekey. Tile on the stairs. Tile here. That broke off. This is a large room. May need to be repainted. And this is a purpley mauve sort of wall. Goes all the way across. Light isn't turning on, but pretty straightforward. Decent size room. Remove cables. Paint overall is okay. I mean, it is what it is. Same flooring carries through. Beautiful stone counters, undermount sink, upgraded faucet, upgraded light fixture. Back to the tan. We have a dark toilet seat there. And that little line thing, I'm not sure what's on the other side or if we can just take that down. Laundry room upstairs with tile. Bonus points. So we have a tiny little closet over here. The walls? Yeah, okay. This room needs to be repainted. There's some weird coloring here, some seams there. Beautiful stone counters, cabinets look great. You patch that. Looks like there was a towel holder there. I moved it over here for some reason. Okay. And weird painting in there as well. And here.